This is so cute. Y'all can't tell me this is not like a cute little grocery bag like you finna go to the store. If you guys been watching me, you guys know this has been in the background of the last handful of videos. I bought it at Goodwill a couple weeks ago, and I had an idea when I was in the store to do something with it. I mean, it was like a big ass roll of just fabric for $12.99. So I said, oh, I probably can make something with this. I think today is finally the day we make something with it. What's good with the shot? It's C-Mac, and I am back for another video. Today, we are going to be making a custom tote bag. That fabric I bought a couple of weeks ago, and I can't think of anything that I want to make with it. So I want to see the pattern worked out to help me decide. So I decided I'm going to make a tote. Cute, right? So I wanted to show this tote because it's cuter, but I have a different tote that I like the frame of. It's like a Route 21 tote, like Route 21 closed a year ago or something. So I got this really old Route 21 bag because I like the stencil of this one a little bit better. So what I'm going to do is lay this fabric out, trace, sew it all together, do a little twist, a C-Mac twist, and show you how to find a product. Let's just get into it. Y'all, not gonna lie, the blue side kind of look better. I could do a little tracksuit. Very simple. Lay this fabric out. We just gonna trace and cut it out. We're gonna leave about a half-inch seam allowance. All right, y'all, got that cut out. Pretty much done with this. But then we're just gonna go ahead and take our outline. And since I want the other side to be this green side, I'm not gonna mirror this image. Instead, I'm just gonna go ahead and place it on top and cut around, leaving no seam allowance. Put that to the side. Now I'm gonna go ahead and make my straps while I'm down here. Straps can be any size that you want. Dang. Any size that you want, but I am gonna measure these out. Inches by an inch. I just wanna get an idea of kind of how long it is. So what I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna roll it, make it like double thick. Measure about, we'll do 23 and about cut like an inch in. Yeah, that's good. Cut as straight as I can. Now, let's go up to the sewing table. All right, y'all, now we're up at the table. Basically, all we're doing, we should have 2 pieces for our straps and then 2 pieces for our bag. And this is gonna be really simple. So I'm gonna keep these 2 pieces for the bag together. And I am just gonna sew all the way around, leaving the top part of the bag open. This is gonna be so cute. Before I actually even do it, I am gonna sew in on both sides of the fabric in about probably a ½ inch. So again, one of the side panels, I'm just gonna fold in, down about a ½ inch, and I'm gonna sew straight across the top. Now that we got the tips all sewn on both of our side bags, we are going to place the good sews, so where you did like the good sew, not on the fold inside, so not on this side. We're gonna place the good sides together. So this is gonna go together. And then we're just gonna sew. So this is the top here. We're just gonna sew all the way around. You can pin them together if you need to. All right, y'all, so we got the outside all sewn together. We're gonna go do a quick spot check by turning it inside out. This is so cute. Y'all can't tell me this is not like a cute little grocery bag, like you finna go to the store, grab you some fruits. This is super cute. I'm gonna go ahead and attach the straps. So what I'm gonna do is just fold it in half, do one single stitch all the way down. Now I'm gonna try to cut this as straight as possible, but not cutting any thread, just because it's a little uneven. I wanna go through, make it as straight as possible. All right, now I got my sleeve, or I keep wanting to call it my sleeve, my strap. Now I'm just gonna put it inside, sew along the seam that we already sewed. And get over how cute it is. All right, y'all, so here is the bag. It's super cute. I wanted to put some fabric on it, but I didn't know if I wanted to do that or not. Let me know if you guys think that I should put like a little tag on the side. Like, I don't know if like the tan was gonna go with this color, but I was gonna do like a little quote on there or whatever, and then kind of put it onto the bag. But this is the cute little tote bag. I'm definitely gonna use it for my groceries. As you guys can see, I have tons of totes and I use them all the time when I go to the store. This is the bag. On what, it matches my outfit today too. Super cute. Let me know what you guys think down below. As always, make sure to smash that like button, comment down below, subscribe, share with your family, stay positive, and you know, I'll be back for more videos. Bye.
Get out your feelings and get it yourself. Might got the same shoes, but you ain't gonna step. That shit that you just put out, you could've kept.